Welcome to my channel. First time Nighthawk AX5400 Setup Guide. Quick easy steps. Step 1. Unbox the router. Remove the Nighthawk AX5400 router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and any included accessories from the box. Step 2. Attach the antennas. If your model comes with detachable antennas, securely attach them to the router. Step 3. Place the router. Keep the router in a central, open location for better Wi-Fi coverage throughout your home. Step 4. Connect the modem. Use the Ethernet cable to connect your modem to the router's Internet/WAN port. Step 5. Turn on the router, plug in the power adapter and press the power button if needed. Step 6. Wait for startup. Allow the router a few minutes to boot up. Wait until the power and internet LEDs become stable. Step 7. Connect your device. Join the default Wi-Fi network using the Wi-Fi name, SSID, and password printed on the router label. Step 8. Open the setup page, launch a web browser and go to routerlogin.net or open the Nighthawk app on your phone. Step 9. Complete the setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to create an admin password and configure your internet connection. Step 10. Test the connection. Connect a few devices to the new Wi-Fi network and make sure internet access is working properly. Thanks for watching.